Hey guys, welcome back to Lamilli Armory. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the CVLIFE WolfCovert. Alright, so the red dot sight's going to come shipped in this black box. You can also get this in green. This one happens to be the red dot model. Let's take a look inside. First on top, we're greeted with the WolfCovert 4 reticle red-green dot sight user's manual. So inside we're going to have our catalog, your specifications. So you do have 9 brightness settings and then +2 with the night vision settings. And different reticle options, which is really neat to have in the optics. So you have a 32 MOA Circle dot, 3 MOA red dot sight, 32 MOA Crosshair, or 32 MOA Bullseye. There's your sizes. All the info. It is an RMR. You have really good battery life, 50,000 hours. Here's the product structure, everything included in the product, and the packaging, how to install your battery, and also how to install on an RMR mount. And you can also use the Picatinny rail to mount that as well. And also comes with the MOS Glock plate. There's different illumination settings, how to operate that, your brightness, battery life again, how to switch the reticle. Here's the red and there's the green. How to zero your optic. There's the zeroing aid there, 10, 20, 25. Maintenance, troubleshooting. Lots of good details here. Warranty and your batteries. All right, so here's a lens cloth. We get different screws. So depending on your optic cut or your slide, any of these screws will work. Just have to find the right one that matches your slide and pistol. And here's the MOS adapter plate. Get a CR1632 battery. Here's some tools. So I have a little flathead screwdriver here. And of course, the optic itself, provided with this nice cover, keeps the dust off of it when you're not using it. Super neat. All right, guys, let's take a closer look at the CVLIFE WolfCovert red dot sight. So here on the left side, you're going to see that there's a plus button that's going to turn on your optic. And then on the right side, the negative or minus button that's going to dim or shut off your optic by holding it for a few seconds. And then you're going to have your windage and then your elevation adjustments here, which you can actually use the flathead screwdriver for. And you are going to hear audible clicks on both windage and elevation. And then up on top is going to be the battery compartment. I really like when the optics include the battery compartment up on top or even on the side here. It keeps the optic in 0, so you don't have to keep removing it when the battery dies and then having to put it back on your pistol and then re-zeroing all over again and potentially damaging the screws over time. So really nice feature to have. That's what my go-to is, either on top or on the side. And so you can see the glass here, really nice and clear. You can actually remove the sticker here. And then currently it has the Picatinny rail adapter, which you can remove by using your provided tool here. Just untwisting this. Screws just pop out. They're on pretty tight. There we go. Pop out just like that. And then there you go. There's the two-piece. So you can get this ready to mount on your RMR. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the different reticle options here. So again, this is the plus to increase the brightness, and then the minus button to decrease the brightness. So in order to change, right now you have a 3 MOA red dot. In order to change the reticle, you would have to press the plus and minus button at the same time. And then now you have the 32 MOA Bullseye. Press it again. Now you have the 32 MOA Crosshair. And one more time, you have the 32 MOA Circle Dot, which is actually my preference between that and the red dot. So you can switch that back on the fly, whichever one you wish to use. And again, this does have 11 brightness settings. It has 2 night vision and then 9 daylight settings. To adjust that, just hit the minus button. You can see that go away. And then the plus to increase. And that's the brightest setting there. And it also has the motion awake technology. So if you have this sitting without movement for about 4 minutes, it'll shut off to preserve the battery life. And as soon as it senses any movement, it'll turn back on. All right, guys, now I'm going to demonstrate installing the red dot sight on an RMR plate. So there's going to be 2 little holes up on top here, and then these 2 holes are where the screws are going to go through and tighten to the slide. So I'm going to line up these 2 first. Once you find your appropriate screws, you can see they already have blue Loctite on that. So that's going to keep the screws from screwing off. Just drop those in. Take the provided tool here. Go ahead and tighten it. Get nice and snug. Just like that. I like to use the shorter end just to get it a little bit tighter. That. See, there is no wiggle or play. And just like that, really simple. All right, guys, so that was the CVLIFE WolfCovert for Reticle red dot sight. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below. We'll see you guys on the next one.